Hey, may upcoming events ka ba? Birthday, wedding, corporate events, or any kind of party? Gusto mo bang maging mas masaya, elegant, and an experience you'll never forget? Isama mo na kami dyan. We as your performer, we are the group called the Duo of Project Sunrise. With more than 2 decades of experience performing at all kinds of events. And that is ready to give you full fun kung saan may kantahan, tawanan, at sayawan. So me as a keyboardist, saxophonist, digital music artist with my female singer na nagkaroon na ng mga TV appearance like Tawag ng Tanghala ng It's Showtime and The Clone ng It Bulaga. To give you quality music and heartfelt performance. We have been performing in different bars and hotels. We also have performed in top-of-the-line hotels and venues with high-profile guests. At nakasama na rin namin sa stage ang ilang mga celebrities. Sabi nga ng mga client namin, para kang kumuha ng sikat. Kasing galing, pero hindi kasing mahal. So you can book us now as a duo, trio, or even a four-piece group. We have option to add more quality singers depending on what your party needs. You can avail us with sound system package, so medyo hassle-free na tayo. So whether it's a big celebration with hundreds of guests or even small gathering, we will bring the music that makes your events unforgettable. So magbook ka na and let us turn your celebration into something that your guests will talk about for years. And we are the group called the Duo of Project Sunrise. We don't just perform, we make memories because moments matter.